show ya. You should me to call you when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall.
So this wig is from WorldNewHair. I have reviewed this wig before, and this will be my second time of fixing this hair. It's orange ginger color. Before anything, I want to wash it, then straighten it, because the first time I installed this wig, I did not wash it and I coiled it. So this time around, I want to wash it, then straighten it. Let's see. Hello, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing great. So this wig is from WorldNewHair. I have reviewed this wig before, so this is my second time of wearing this wig. Why I decided to install this wig again after about some months. The first time I installed this wig, when I was applying my mousse on it, I found out that the color was fading away. I was afraid. I said, what? Will the color of this hair change? So after some months of usage, I said, okay, let me try to wash this hair to see if it's going to change color. So I did wash it.
Down too strong, cause I want ya. And it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, pulling on tonight. Holding a couple, no get to you clean and proper. Yeah, I'm moving a weekend lover. You gonna me on your mind forever, ever.
I wash it with hair shampoo.
Ready, first I keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the color when you turn me on.
Yeah, I said I did not tangle and there's no shedding. That's a plus. See, no tangle, no shedding. When I was washing it, really there's little color that came out of it. You can see it changed color little, but we'll see if the color is still going to remain.
I like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
I wash it with cold water. I decided to wash it with cold water for no reason. My mind just told me, wash it with cold water. After that, I conditioned the hair. So I'm going to add conditioner to it. Then I'll leave it for some time after I wash it out.
And go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Figure.
So I'll leave it then, rewash it later. After conditioning it, I left it for about 6 minutes to settle down, then I rinsed the hair. Then after that, I did not blow dry it. I left it in room temperature to dry it down. So the next day, I brought it out. I saw that the color was wow. One thing I like about this hair, there was no shedding. Heat resistant. The color did not change. As you can see, the color did not change. I was like, ooh, because I was really afraid. Tangle free. The texture is very, very soft and smooth. The first time I installed this wig, I coiled it and I brought out baby hairs. This time around, I just decided to go simple because the hair is glueless. I opened the pattern a little bit more, then I straightened the hair with hair straightener, and this is the result. By the way, if you like this hair, I'm going to leave the link on the description box. The density of this hair is 180 density and is 13 by 4 lace wig. The length is 20 inches. One thing I like about this hair is very soft. And the other hand, you can straighten it and you can coil it. And also, if you decide to glue it down, it's left for you. If you decide not to, you can wear it like that. Who wants to waste time when it comes to installing of wigs? We really appreciate wigs that you just pop on and you're good to go. And this one is not left out. Carry out my test. I decided to share this with you guys. It is orange ginger color and the density is 180 density and it is glueless. So you can glue it, you can decide not to glue it down. Like today, I decided not to glue it down. I just added little gel here just to flatten this part of
I can make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up, when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight, I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. The sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you're tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight, I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you're tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you're tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good all the cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space.
Just look at how soft, stunning and gorgeous this hair looks. So that is it, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Don't forget, I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. And the first video I did some months ago of this unit, I'm going to link it here so that you watch it. I'll also link it from the description box, so check that out and watch that video. Alright guys, bye. Ciao.
Don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got.